Greetings, language learners! Welcome back to Tiny Thinker TV. Today, we're embarking on a delightful journey through the seasons with the enchanting story of my favorite season. Together, we'll uncover season-related words and daily life vocabulary to boost your English skills. Our aim is to make learning enjoyable and gradual, so let's dive into the tale and discover the beauty of language, one step at a time. Meet Emma, our avid language learner, exploring the charming town of Langville. Emma's journey begins with spring, where she discovers the magic of nature blooming and buzzing with life. Let's start with the basics. Practice saying the names of the flowers and insects you see on the screen. Pause the video if needed and repeat after me. It is a bee. Butterfly. Dragonfly. Caterpillar. Hyacinth. Tulip. Daffodil. Moving on to step 2. Summer arrives, and so does the lively summer fair in Langville. Emma describes the sights, sounds, and smells, learning new words that capture the essence of the season. Let us know about some vocabulary from summer fair. Here are some sight words. Gleaming, colorful, luminous, whirling. Now it's your turn. In the comments, share 3 words that come to mind when you think of a summer fair. Let's build our summer vocabulary together. As the autumn arrives, Emma takes a stroll through the leaves, sharing words like crisp, foliage, and cozy. These are the building blocks of our autumn vocabulary. Pause the video, practice these words out loud, and then challenge yourself to use them in a sentence. Share your sentence in the comments to receive feedback from our language learning community. As winter comes, Emma encounters snowy landscapes and adds words like frosty, glisten, and bundle up to her vocabulary. As we wrap up, share in the comments a winter-related word you found interesting or challenging. Let's support each other's learning journeys. Emma seamlessly incorporates her new vocabulary into chats with friends and neighbors. Your challenge for step 5 is to use one new word you've learned today in a sentence. Share it in the comments, and let's celebrate your progress together. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step language adventures. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy language journey, everyone!